All right, so now we're going to focus on mobility and strength in the spine. I'll do this first round with you, and then you can repeat the video 3 times. So first we're going to do the spine twist. You're going to extend the legs out in front. You're going to reach the arms out to the side. So sitting up nice and tall, shoulders are down the back. You're going to pulse to the right 2 times and then come back to center. Breathe in twice and then exhale back to center. Breathing in and out, breathing in and out, breathing in and out, really twisting at the waist, and exhale, shoulders down. One more time, twist and back to center, and twist and back to center. Great, so now from here, widen the stance here with your feet, just about a little bit wider than your hips. Feet stay flexed, this is the saw. You bring the arms out to the side, again, sitting up tall. If you have a hard time with that, you can just kind of bend your knees, it will lift you up a little bit. And now you're gonna twist to the right, dive forward, reaching here, looking back towards your back arm. You do a little pulse, come up, still rotated, and then back to center. Twist, dive forward, lift up, and return. And twist, dive forward, lift up, and return. Twist, dive forward, lift up, and return. Twist, dive forward, looking back, and return. And one more time, twist, dive forward, lift up, and return. So from here, let's come all the way down onto our mat. This is going to focus now on the flexibility in the spine and also the strength in your lats and in your triceps. This is a tricep press. Elbows are in by your ribs. And you're going to just rest down, let the nose just barely touch your mat. And on the exhale, you're going to press the forearms into the mat, lifting the chest, and then breathe in to come back down. Exhale, you're going to press, lifting up, and then inhale, rest back down. Exhale, press, lifting up, shoulders down, feeling across the back and behind the arms, and rest down, lift up, exhale, and back down. And 2 more times, lifting up, press, engage the back of the arms, and back down. 1 more time, lifting up, hold it there, and back down. And now we're going to do just a little stretch, just back into a child's pose to relax the lower back. So simply bring your knees in. You can bring your arms out in front of you here. If this bothers your shoulders, you can always bring your hands back behind you here and just rest your forehead down on the mat. Or out in front, and just take some deep breaths in this position, relaxing into it, and you're all done.